Hi guys, welcome back to Asian Home Kitchen. Today I'm going to make easy butter garlic beef with fried potato. Let's get started. First, I'm going to marinate the beef. Add 1.5 cup of beef. I use beef tenderloin, a cup of diced onion, a little of Maggi soy sauce, a little of salt, add a little of white pepper. Mix it well, then rest it for 30 minutes. To fry potato, I have 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of cornstarch, add a little of salt. Mix it up, then add 1.5 cup of diced potato, then coat well with flour. Then filter it. And then you just fry it until they get golden brown. Once we finish, heat a wok, add a little of cooking oil, and add unsalted butter. Then melt the butter, just a little. Then add chopped garlic in, tossing until garlic is light golden brown. Then add beef in. Toss. Then add a little cilantro stem. This will smell so good. Then add 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of Maggi soy sauce. And then add some sugar. Then combine well. Once combined well, turn the heat off. Then finally add fried potatoes in. Mix it well. Oh wow, look at that. Look lovely. Put in a bowl. Sprinkle with cilantro. Alright, I hope you enjoy watching my video. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy!